Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Civic's hood. First, find the hood release lever inside your car, typically on the driver's side, near the floorboard, or under the dashboard. Pull this lever firmly. You should hear a click as the hood partially unlatches. Once you hear that sound, you can then proceed to the front of your vehicle to complete the process. It's a straightforward step to get started. Now that the hood is slightly ajar, you need to locate the secondary safety latch. Gently lift the front edge of the hood a few inches and reach your hand underneath, right in the center. You will feel a small lever or tab. This is the safety latch. Depending on your Civic model, you might need to push it to one side or pull it upwards to fully release the hood. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open accidentally. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood all the way up. Look for the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood or near the radiator support. Unclip the prop rod and extend it. There will be a small, designated hole or slot on the underside of the hood or in the engine bay where you can securely insert the end of the prop rod. This will hold the hood open safely while you work. When you are finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back into its storage clip. Gently lower the hood until it is about 12 inches from fully closing. From this height, let the hood drop. You should hear a distinct click as it latches securely. If it doesn't latch, avoid pushing down hard on the hood itself. Instead, lift it again and drop it with a bit more force until it closes completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.